In this video, I will be showing you how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. So this will be done with the help of the official Windows 11 ISO file. So let's get started. So first, let's begin with installing VirtualBox. So just search for VirtualBox and click on the first link. And here we will be having download button under get started. Click that. And we are having VirtualBox for different operating system. Just click on Windows hosts and the download will be getting started. It is around 169 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Oracle VirtualBox installer. Click on next, accept the license agreement, next, and this is going to be the default location where it will get installed. I have changed it. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the drive and the folder of your choice. Once you have done that, select next and click on yes. Yes also. And these are fine. Click on next and install. Once everything is done, click on start and select finish. And that's it. We'll be getting the Oracle VirtualBox manager like this. Next step is installing Windows 11 ISO file. So for that, just search for Windows 11 ISO. We'll be having the official link from Microsoft.com saying download Windows 11. Select it. Here, if you just scroll down to the end, we'll be having the download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click on this drop down and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO and click on confirm. And here we must select the language of our choice and again click on confirm. And we will be having this 64-bit download. Just select this. The download will be getting started. It is around 7.9 GB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open VirtualBox and select new. And here first step is virtual machine name. Let's just have it as Windows 11 and this is going to be the virtual machine folder. If you want to change it, you can. And next is ISO image. Click on the drop down, select other, and now we'll be pointing to the ISO file that we just downloaded. So click it and select open. The other information will be automatically filled here. Now just expand this setup unattended guest OS installation. Just have a username over here. You can change it and here enter the password and confirm password. Make sure that you are keeping this in your mind because this will be the password to sign in into your Windows 11 operating system. So I will just enter my password. And if you are getting any red mark over here in the host name, just rename it. Now it's fine. Next, specify virtual hardware. Expand this. Here we have to specify the RAM and the number of CPUs. So I will recommend you to go 50% of what you're having in your system. So in my case, I'm having 12. I will go with 6. Here I will just go with around 8. I guess this would be fine. And next, specify virtual hard disk. I would recommend you to go around 40 to 60 for this. Once this is done, just click on finish. And Windows 11 will be automatically added here. And it will automatically start opening the Windows 11 in our virtual machine like this. If it doesn't start, select it and click on start. Now the Windows 11 setup will begin. So the installation is taking place. Just be patient for a while. Once the installation is done, we'll be getting Windows 11 automatically opened. But the only issue is if I go to the full screen, it's not in the full screen, it's only cut off like this. So now I will show you how to enable full screen. So for that, go to devices and click on this insert guest additions CD image. Now go to File Explorer. Now inside File Explorer, to the left we'll be having this CD drive D. Click that and here we are having VBox Windows Additions, which is a application type file. Just double click and open it and just select next. This is find the location, next, and click on install. Once the installation is completed, it's asking us reboot now. If you want to do it right now itself, make sure that you are checking this and click on finish. And it's starting to restart. Now after restarting, as you can see, the resolution has completely changed. So if I click on this full screen thing, here we are able to get that full screen mode now. And if I go to the full screen view, which is by going to view, full screen mode, switch, and we have literally got the full screen of Windows 11. And if you want to exit it, just move your mouse over here and we'll be having view and click this back. That's it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.